I was an intern in his chamber of Shillong Law College, and then I went for internship. I was at 3:16 p.m. He was calling me to another room. I don't know that room. I never knew about that room. He was calling me to take two court case books, and I went there with him. So I took two of them. He was grabbing me tightly, and I couldn't move. I struggled to move. Forcefully, he grabbed me, and then after that, I took that book and he released me. I took it and gave it to two of my friends. Like, give it to two of your friends those books, and then you can take another book. So I went again to took two the book, and then I don't know. Unknowingly, he followed me from the back, and then he grabbed me from the side, and then after that, he squeezed my woman parts. And then he offered me money, and after that, when he offered me money, I was like, no sir, I don't want this money. And he kept insisting, he kept on offering that money multiple times, and he kept it on my blazer, and I was taking it out. I said, no sir, and he kept on giving me that money. And after that, I took that book, I went out from that other room, and then I kept that money inside the sofa, and I was really scared and confused. I don't know what to do. So, and then after that, he left the room. No, I mean, in that time, I was telling sir I want to go home because I'm feeling sleepy. He was like, you can sleep in that room. And then after that, he left that room. The room means the chamber. And then after that, I was crying to my friend. I was telling them, let's go home because I'm so scared and confused. And then we left the room, and there was someone inside who's typing. That's all. I was crying. Like 100 p.m. When it comes to this, like to all the students who go for internship, they should be careful to choose their advocate carefully, because a lot of advocate, we don't know what will happen. Like, they always molest or try to rape the interns, so we should be careful. We urge the police to take a strict action against this, and then also like protect the women, so that especially for the students who go for internships, that they will not get molested like this.